What is it, buddy?
Oh, goggles.
Oh, wow, binoculars. Or goggles. Very close. Cool. Now you can see things that are far away, right?
Can you find one for Antonia?
Uh-huh. Antonia. ¿Ese es para Antonia?
Sí.
Ese es para Antonia.
Para Antonia de Santa. Okay.
You get a present. I know you're cute.
Antonia's like, my present is here because I'm drinking my milk.
Let's wait a little bit, Ignacio, so she can finish her milk.
Hey, Nasha, wait.
Wait.
Hey,
Ponlo ahí.
Nasha, did you see what's not wrapped? What Santa couldn't wrap? Look on the other side of the tree. You see that? No, other side of the tree. Walk over. No, other way. Do you see that?
What?
Look, right there.
The big box.
The big box.
That
No.
you're asking.
That's not wrapped. Nope. Keep looking. No. Nasha. Look right there. Look right in front of you. No, other way. Look to your left.
Like that.